Today, we're going to build Jabba's sail barge using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x3 plate piece, and then for the front stud, where I've decided to make the front of our sail barge, we're going to grab one of these cheese wedge slopes. I'm going to put it so it's sloping down in the front and going up towards the center of our sail barge. And that's going to create the front or the nose cone of our sail barge. And then to raise it up a bit because of this slope piece, we're going to get a 1x2 plate piece and put that on those back 2 studs like this. And we still got a little bit of space here, so we got to raise it up. But to raise it up again, we're going to get a 1x1 round plate and put those on top of those 2 back studs of our 1x2 plate like this. And now all we have to do is add the sails to make it a sail barge. So what we're going to do for the sails is we're going to get these pie pieces, these little wedge pieces, the tiles, and I know like a quarter circle. And what we're going to do is the pointy end is going to be the front of the sail. And we're going to put that on the very first stud and point it forward like this to create the sail. And for the back one, I found that just going straight in can be a little difficult. So what I like to do is actually go at an angle like this and then just kind of twist it into place so both those triangles are facing forward. And here we have Jabba's sail barge to help him, enjoy the Tatooine desert and, maybe throw some people in the Sarlacc pit.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.